Have you ever dreamed of speeding along the paths of life, feeling the freedom and adrenaline? Now imagine not just driving, but piloting some of the rarest and most valuable machines on the planet. Today, we're opening the garage doors of one of the richest men in the world of sports, Floyd Mayweather. Get ready to discover the 20 most exclusive and impressive cars he owns. With breathtaking speeds and breathtaking designs, each of these cars is a work of art on wheels. Are you ready to be amazed and see what makes these machines so desirable? Stay with us as we explore these true automotive gems and discover which car can be considered the king of speed in Mayweather's impressive collection. We start our list at number 20, Bugatti Chiron. The Bugatti Chiron is a luxury supercar launched in 2016 and is known for its unmatched speed and design. It's the definition of opulence on wheels, and only a lucky few can call one their own. 8.0 LW16 quad-turbo engine, with power of 1,479 horsepower. This means that when you step on the gas, it's like being launched from a rocket. Have you ever felt that adrenaline rush when driving? It can reach 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Yes, you read that right. It's so fast that it can leave any competition in the dust. Have you ever imagined the feeling of being glued to the seat? Did you know that the Chiron has a braking system that is one of the most advanced in the world? Designed to stop this monster at high speed, it is a true highlight when it comes to automotive technology. At number 19, Pagani Zonda HR. Launched in 2001, the Pagani Zonda HR quickly became an icon among collectors. Being more than a car, it is a masterpiece on wheels that attracts glances and instant admiration wherever it goes. Powered by a 7.3 LV12 engine that delivers an impressive 650 horsepower, the Zonda HR combines raw power with acceleration that will make your heart race. Are you ready to hear that roar? With a lightweight design and gravity-defying carbon fiber structure, the Pagani Zonda HR isn't just fast, it's a legend that redefines modern automotive engineering and the art of motorsport. Pagani only built 10 units of the Zonda HR, making it an extremely rare gem. Owning one of these is like being part of an exclusive club, where speed and exclusivity meet. And number 18, Ferrari 488 Pista. Introduced in 2018, the Ferrari 488 Pista is the performance-optimized version of the popular 488. This car is not just a work of art, but a machine made to dominate the roads with its aggressive looks and impressive aerodynamics. Equipped with a powerful 3.9L twin-turbo V8 engine, the 488 Pista delivers a robust 710 horsepower. This is not just strength, it's pure adrenaline in the form of an engine, perfect for those who love the thrill of driving. Want to know what this car is capable of? It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in an impressive 2.85 seconds. This impressive speed makes it one of the fastest and most desirable machines in the world. The 488 Pista isn't just fast, it's smart. With an active aerodynamic system, it adjusts its performance at high speed, ensuring stability and control in any curve. It's like having an invisible co-pilot. At number 17, the Lamborghini Centennial. The Lamborghini Centenario was launched to honor Ferruccio Lamborghini's centenary in 2016, a worthy tribute, combining impressive design and brutal power. It's a true dream for any car lover. Equipped with a 6.5 liters naturally aspirated V12 engine that releases an incredible 770 horsepower, the Centenario not only impresses with power but also provides a driving experience that makes your heart race. Are you ready for this adrenaline rush? Limited to just 40 units Arsha and Arsha Roadsters, the Centenario is a rare treasure in any garage. This exclusivity makes this car a true icon, desired by collectors and enthusiasts around the world. With a full digital screen on the dashboard, the Centenario redefines what is expected from a sports car. The fusion of technology and performance makes every trip a unique and futuristic experience. Impressive, don't you think? At number 16, McLaren P1. Introduced in 2013, the McLaren P1 is not just a car, it's a true masterpiece of hypercar engineering, designed to impress and dominate the track. With its 3.8 liters twin-turbo V8 engine and a hybrid system, the P1 delivers no less than 903 horsepower. This animal is a machine that really makes your heart race. Limited production to just 375 units makes each P1 a rare treasure. Most are already in the hands of collectors. so seeing one of these in action is pure luck. With a race mode that maximizes aerodynamics and performance, the McLaren P1 is not just a car, it's a riding experience that few mortals have the privilege of experiencing. At number 15, Koenigsegg Agera. Launched in 2015, the Koenigsegg Agera RS is not just a car, it's a legend on the track. Breaking records, this car became a symbol of speed and innovation. Get ready for an exciting journey with this asphalt giant. Under its hood, the Agera RS features a powerful 5.0 LV8 engine that generates an impressive 1,160 horsepower. This beast doesn't just growl, it screams when it hits the accelerator, taking drivers to a new level of adrenaline. With a top speed of 447 km per hour, the Agera RS is one of the fastest cars on the planet. Can you imagine the feeling of being behind the wheel as the landscape turns into a blur? It's pure magic on wheels. Equipped with a double-acting clutch system, the Agera RS guarantees perfect performance and handling on the track. This technology revolutionizes driving, allowing the driver to feel like a real driver in a race. At number 14, Porsche 918 Spyder. The Porsche 918 Spyder is a plug-in hybrid car that raises the definition of performance and efficiency. Imagine driving a car that is both a beast on the track and environmentally friendly. Equipped with a 4.6 LV8 engine and 2 electric motors, the 918 Spyder delivers an impressive 887 horsepower. This powerful combination guarantees acceleration that will leave you glued to the seat. Did you know that the 918 can be connected to the mains? This allows for an emission-free driving experience on short journeys, providing a green way to enjoy your supercar with only 918 units produced. This car is a true treasure on wheels. The exclusivity of the Porsche 918 Spyder makes it one of the most desirable and rare vehicles in the world. At number 13, Aston Martin Valkyrie. The Aston Martin Valkyrie is more than a car, it is a true masterpiece of engineering. Combining extreme performance and cutting-edge automotive technology, it's the dream of any engine lover seeking speed and style. Its 6.5 LV12 engine is a true beast, generating an impressive 1,160 horsepower. With so much power at its disposal, this car doesn't play around when it comes to work. Have you ever imagined speeding up this machine and feeling the adrenaline pumping through your veins? Made to rock the track, the Valkyrie's aerodynamic design is breathtaking. Every curve and detail has been designed to maximize performance, making this car a true beast on the asphalt. Your look, simply unbeatable. But exclusivity is what makes the Valkyrie truly special. With just 150 units being produced, it is one of the rarest gems in the automotive world. Owning one is like owning a piece of racing history. At number 12, Bentley Mullineaux Baccator. The Bentley Mullineaux Baccator is a true masterpiece from the Mullineaux division, marked by exclusivity and sophistication. This car is more than a vehicle, it is a style statement for the most demanding. Equipped with a 6.0 LW12 engine that delivers an impressive 659 horsepower, the Baccator offers breathtaking performance. Imagine the adrenaline rush when you turn the ignition key and hear that engine roaring. With only 12 units produced, each Baccator is unique. They are true examples of automotive craftsmanship, where every detail has been carefully thought out to impress even the most demanding collectors. The interior of the Baccator is a show in itself, made of the highest quality leather and wood. Customization options are nearly limitless, allowing each homeowner to create a space that reflects their personality and style. At number 11, Lotus Evija. Launched in 2019, the Lotus Evija is not just a car, it's an electric revolution. This is Lotus' first all-electric supercar, designed to impress even the most discerning drivers. With 4 electric motors, the Evija delivers an impressive 2,000 horsepower. This isn't just power, it's pure adrenaline on the track that promises to leave all competitors in the dust. Speed up. The Evija can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in less than 3 seconds. And with a range of 400 kilometers, you can enjoy the speed without worrying about running out of charge anytime soon. Named after the Latin term meaning live, Evija truly reflects innovation and the future. It's a symbol of what the future of supercars could be, and it's right in Mayweather's garage. At number 10, Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren. Launched in 2003, the Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren is a true automotive icon. With a design that mixes elegance and aggressiveness, it stands out in any scene, proving to be a masterpiece of engineering and aesthetics. Under the hood, a 5.4-liter supercharged V8 engine delivers an impressive 617 horsepower. This power monster makes speed lovers sigh, capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds. It's pure adrenaline. The SLR's chassis is a revolution. Made of aluminum and carbon, it balances lightness and strength. This not only improves performance, but also offers handling that makes you feel in complete control at high speeds. And there's more. This car was one of the first to come with ceramic brakes, taking braking efficiency to a new level. This means that even at high speeds, you can trust it to stop when necessary. At number 9, Nissan GT-R Nismo. The GT-R Nismo, launched in 2017, is the most powerful version of the iconic GT. This car is not just a machine, it's a legend made of metal that takes place on the tracks. With its 3.8 liters twin-turbo V6 engine, the GT-R Nismo is a monster, pumping out an impressive 600 horsepower. This power makes your heart race and provides a unique driving experience. Known as Godzilla, this car has a resistance that leaves any rival afraid. It is not only fast, but also reliable on the world's most challenging tracks. What really impresses about the GT-R Nismo is its adaptive traction system, which allows a driving experience adjusted for each curve, each track. This is pure automotive technology. At number 8, Rolls-Royce. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan, launched in 2018, is the legendary brand's first SUV. It represents a perfect fusion between tradition and innovation, attracting the eyes of any engine lover. With a powerful 6.75 liters V12 engine and 563 horsepower, this SUV not only glides through the streets, but also roars with authority. It's the kind of performance that makes any enthusiast's heart skip a beat. Designed to offer comfort on any terrain, the Cullinan is an icon of luxury. Even on bumpy roads, it turns every journey into a relaxing and opulent experience. Equipped with a sophisticated 18-speaker sound system, the Cullinan delivers an unparalleled listening experience. With it, every trip becomes a personal concert, intensifying driving pleasure. At number 7, Bugatti Veyron. Launched in 2005, the Bugatti Veyron was the king of speed, a true milestone in the history of supercars. Did you know that it became famous for being the fastest car in the world at the time? The thrill of accelerating is something few people know. Under the hood, it hides an impressive 8.0 LW16 engine, which can deliver up to 1,200 horsepower. That's right, 1,200 horsepower. It's like having an untamed beast under control, ready to unleash all its power in the blink of an eye. And the speed? Get ready. The Veyron can reach a top speed of 431 kilometers per hour. Imagine the adrenaline of riding one of the fastest in the world, cutting through the wind like an arrow. Have you ever imagined yourself aboard it? But here's the most impressive part. Bugatti only produced 450 units of the Veyron. This makes it one of the most coveted supercars on the planet. Owning one is like having a work of art in your garage. It's pure rarity. At number 6, Maserati Alfieri. Revealed in 2014, the Maserati Alfieri is a modern masterpiece that promises to quicken the heartbeat of any car lover. Its elegant and aggressive lines evoke Maserati's rich tradition, making it a true treasure on wheels. Under the hood, the Alfieri boasts a V6 engine that doesn't mess around in service, offering up to 450 horsepower. This impressive power ensures that every acceleration is an electrifying experience, leaving any ordinary car in the dust. Inspired by the classic Maserati A6 GCs, the Alfieri's design combines tradition and innovation. Every curve and angle has been meticulously designed, creating a look that makes heads turn and hearts flutter on the streets. Named after Maserati's visionary founder, Alfieri Maserati, this car is not just a means of transportation. It is a tribute to the history and passion for motorsport that has shaped the brand since its inception. At number 5, Ford GT. Revived to celebrate Ford's racing history, the new GT was launched in 2016. A true masterpiece, this car became an instant icon in the automotive world, proving that tradition and innovation can go hand in hand. With a 3.5 liters twin-turbo V6 engine generating an impressive 647 horsepower, the Ford GT is not only beautiful, but extremely powerful. It's like having a rocket 1 foot off the ground. acceleration that leaves anyone breathless. Designed for track performance, the GT has advanced aerodynamic features. This means it not only appears to accelerate, but actually cuts through the air like a true champion. Speed has never been so stylish. The Ford GT gained even more fame when it appeared in the film Ford v Ferrari. This participation not only raised his status, but brought a new generation of fans who dream of getting their hands on this track monster. At number 4, BMW i8. The BMW i8, launched in 2014, is a hybrid sports car that impresses on any corner. With its bold design and luxurious features, it's more than a car, it's a statement of intent on the road. Equipped with a 1.5 liters engine and an electric motor, the i8 delivers an impressive combined 369 horsepower. Imagine the acceleration of a rocket in a car that also cares about efficiency. It's pure adrenaline without the guilt. This hybrid isn't just about speed, he is an efficient machine. In its category, the i8 stands out for its fuel efficiency, proving that you can have performance and economy in one package. Incredible, right? With a futuristic design that looks like it came straight out of a science fiction film, the i8 didn't go unnoticed. He became a star in several productions, showing that cars can be icons of style and technology. Now we come to our top 3 on our list. Aston Martin DB11. The Aston Martin DB11, launched in 2016, is a true work of art on wheels. This elegant model is a testament to what Aston Martin does best, combining beauty and performance in one car. Under the hood, a powerful 4.0L twin-turbo V8 engine with 500 horsepower makes the DB11 a formidable machine. With so much power, it's difficult to resist the call of the road and the adrenaline with every acceleration. The DB11 isn't just about speed, it combines sporting performance with unparalleled luxury. Every curve is accompanied by comfort that makes you feel like royalty behind the wheel. Inspired by Aston Martin classics, its design is a perfect mix of tradition and modernity. Every detail is carefully thought out, creating a car that is as beautiful as it is fast. At number 2, Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. The Chevrolet Corvette ZR1, launched in 2018, is the most powerful in the range. This car is a true dream for speed lovers, raising the bar for supercars with its bold design and extreme performance. Powered by a 6.2L supercharged V8 engine, the ZR1 generates an impressive 755 horsepower. This means you'll get unrivaled performance every time you step on the accelerator. A real beast on the streets. Want to know what speeding really is? The ZR1 explodes from 0 to 100 km per hour in less than 3 seconds. It's like being launched in a rocket, leaving any opponent in the dust on the track. The ZR1 isn't just about power, its active airfoil is a masterpiece of engineering, increasing pressure at high speed. This means more control and stability, making every turn a pure adrenaline rush. And now, first on our list, McLaren. Introduced in 2018, the McLaren Speedtail is the brand's fastest and most powerful car. A true masterpiece that redefines what performance means. Combining a powerful V8 engine and an electric motor, this monstrous vehicle generates an impressive 1,036 horsepower, leaving any competitor in the dust. Capable of reaching a top speed of 403 km per hour, the Speedtail promises adrenaline with every acceleration, elevating the driving experience to new heights. With just 106 units produced, it is one of the most exclusive cars in the world, making every encounter a unique and impressive occasion. And so we come to the end of our journey through the universe of the 20 rarest cars in Floyd Mayweather's garage. Which of these engines is your favorite? Or do you know of any other engines that should be on this list? Leave your opinion in the comments, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more incredible content like this. And don't forget to activate the bell so you don't miss any news.